Future Impact's leadership lessons are bite-sized learning experiences where early career and early investor talent can gain essential skills and behaviours that will support their leadership journey and their career journey over time. That means we're covering topics like giving and receiving feedback, communicating with impact, self-leadership, building a career strategy, all these essential mindsets and behaviours that will set you up for success in your career. The leadership lessons are highly interactive, so expect 90 minutes of great conversation, connecting with your peers and live coaching. I've spent decades working with leaders on how to bring out the best in themselves and how to bring out the best in others. And I'm here to bring that experience to you. So by coming to the early career leadership lessons, you're going to get great insights and advice on how you can find your edge to take your career to the next step. Before attending a leadership lesson, you need to be ready to have the conversation. So we're going to send you heaps of information beforehand so you can prepare. We are always working on a real life challenge that you're currently facing. So we're going to give you insights that will have an impact on your career immediately. So come with a real problem to solve, real challenges to share, maybe even also successes you've recently had that can inform the conversation and give insight to others. But become ready to engage, ready to listen, ready to learn, and ultimately, come ready to act.